Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to learn how to make stunning Shopify graphics with Canva? Click Create, type Banner, then select Landscape Banner to use for this tutorial. Try using this banner or banner template by clicking it to see how it works. Click Share, select PNG, then click Download to save the banner. Download the image, then upload it to your Shopify store. Type a name for this design, for example, 101, before downloading. Click Yes, then select the banner texture in the header. Select the image you want to upload, then click Open to add it here. We are unable to upload it. Click Open to proceed. Let's try another way by deleting this block and removing this element. Remove this section, then add a header section and select Custom Liquid. Click Share, then select Embed to access the embed code for your content. Copy the HTML embed code, then paste it into the header section under Custom Liquid Elements. This lets you add your Canva design directly to your site using the embed code. This is how to edit your Shopify page using Canva. You can add links by clicking in the desired area, then inserting your links to customize the page effectively. Add sections with buttons. Then click Save to finish the process. Added our Canva design successfully to the Shopify page. Now you know how to customize your Shopify store with Canva-like, and subscribe for more easy tips.